In this video, we will talk about 5 foods that will improve your cholesterol ratio. High cholesterol is not a disease. Cholesterol is a metabolic disorder caused by our lifestyle. When we eliminate these factors, both metabolism and cholesterol can return to normal automatically. So what are the factors that cause the cholesterol level to rise? Unhealthy diet, consuming excessive amounts of animal food, smoking, drinking alcohol, and inactivity increase cholesterol levels. So what foods should we consume to balance our cholesterol levels? Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Additionally, oats contain a lot of fiber. Beta-glucan, one of these fibers, forms a gel-like mass in the intestines and absorbs fats and cholesterol in the intestines, thus preventing cholesterol from entering the blood. Scientific research shows that regular consumption of oatmeal reduces cholesterol levels significantly. Number 2. Fish. One of the most important benefits of eating fish is the quality omega-3 oils it contains. One of the most important benefits of omega-3 oils is that it increases the level of good cholesterol. The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 fish per week. Number 3. Apple. The pectin fiber found in apples regulates your cholesterol levels by reducing cholesterol absorption from the intestines. Number 4. Walnut. Walnuts are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They also contain healthy unsaturated fats and omega-3. Eating walnuts lowers harmful cholesterol and increases beneficial cholesterol. Number 5. Olive oil. Thanks to the healthy unsaturated fats in olive oil and its antioxidant properties, they provide a reduction in blood cholesterol. It especially helps to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Thanks to its antioxidant properties, it reduces the bad effects of cholesterol by suppressing inflammation. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.